Hi guys, what's up? It's Jordan. I'm back with another video, and my hair actually looks decent in this one, kinda, a little bit. Oh, a little bit. So, hi Pootsies. Come here, say hi. She hates me. But this is so cute. Hi. Okay, anyways, so hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. I'm Jordan, as I said already. So today's video, as you can tell, is going to be a makeup video for Pride Month, because June is Pride Month, and the Pride, celebrations are next weekend in Toronto, and we're excited. So I thought I would play with some eyeshadow, play with some makeup to see what kind of Pride look I can come up with to get ready for all of the festivities of Pride. And yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm going to go ahead and do my base off of camera, because I'm not really going to do anything with my face makeup. It's just going to be the eyeshadow. So I'm going to go do that, and then I'll be right back so we can get into all of the Pride festivities. Okay, so they're doing construction literally right outside of my window. Of course, right when I'm gonna move. Okay, so I did my base makeup now. And sorry, I'm just looking for my inspiration picture. But I did my base makeup, and now we're going to do the eyeshadow. What I'm gonna do first is go in with my concealer and just create that blank canvas on my lids. So let's go do that, and then hopefully Hello, sir, can you stop? So I think what I'm gonna do is just okay, so because they're doing construction, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to briefly explain what I'm doing, and then just put music over my blending so you don't have to listen to the construction. The vision that I have in my head is to just do a cut crease, but a rainbow cut crease, and that's it. I'm going to do red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple in that order around here. And for the red, I'm going to go into the Morphe 3502 palette and use the red shade. I'm about to dive in. But now I'm going to go into my NYX Ultimate Brights palette for the rest of the colors. What is it? Orange yellow. Red, orange, yellow. So the upper is going to be the red, orange, and yellow, and then I'm going to do the bottom green, blue, purple. Or I might do a double cut crease. I don't know. What I'm going to do right now is cut the crease with this little brush and my concealer. So I'm going to go do that. I'm going to speed it up because I'm not great at it, and I don't know how to speak through it, and I don't know what I'm doing. So, yeah. I did the other eye like off of camera, so I'm gonna do this eye on camera. Okay, so I'm using the green in the NYX Ultimate Brights palette. We're gonna take the green in the inner corner. I'm gonna take my Morphe M433 and blend them together. Then once I'm like kind of happy with how that looks, I'm gonna take my angled flat brush that has just like a little bit of concealer remnants on it from like doing the top crease. And I'm just going to carve out this part just to make it a sharp wing so they can be connected. I'm gonna go back into the Morphe 3502 palette and go in with the black and use the black eyeshadow as kind of an eyeliner on my upper lash line and just kind of have a break in between the colors and to kind of show why the wing is in the eyeshadow. So we're gonna do that just with the angled brush, and I'm not gonna talk through it because I literally don't know how to do eyeliner in general. So I'm not gonna talk. So I did that little liner, and it was honestly probably the worst mistake of my life because it took me really, really long to do it. The second last step of this long tutorial is lashes. I'm going to use the House of Lashes Iconic Lashes because they're iconic. And I'm using the Duo Lash Glue. See what happens. Do they look as good on camera as they do in person? I guess I'll find out when I'm editing. Hey, editing me. What's up, bitch? Okay, now the actual last step, I'm gonna do lips, and I think I'm just gonna do like a nude lip with a little bit of gold sparkle just to keep the attention on the eyes, but like still fun with a little bit of, what's it called? Gloss on top. So I'm gonna go in with the NYX Liquid Suede in Sandstorm. Ooh, I love this color. Wait, what the fuck? Love it. Okay, now I'm just gonna wait for it to dry. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the NYX Cosmic Metals in Metropolitan Night. It's like a nice gold. So this is the final look. I am actually obsessed with it. It's a lot different than what I kind of envisioned myself doing, but I'm kind of glad it took this dramatic kind of winged out turn, and I'm obsessed with this lip combo. What the fuck? Like, I just discovered my new faves. I'm gonna keep these out. But yeah, so this is my Pride 2019 makeup look. If you guys enjoyed, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this look, and here's a montage of how cute I fucking look.